Top 3 beverages which can make you fit. Friends, I still remember that there was a beverage which used to be the favorite of mine, and it must be yours also, and I was not able to start my morning without that beverage. And name of that beverage is tea. But since I have stopped consuming tea, my life has totally changed because I have stopped consuming sugar into it. If you are still fond of tea, then there is no problem, but you should change or replace your sugar at any cost. Today I will talk about the three beverages. If you consume these beverages as much as you want in your life, then you will be fit for your whole life. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to reduce their fat and I help them to achieve their dream personality. So, by adapting, by giving them the tools so that they can change their lifestyle. Friends, beverages are the most important part of the thing. And imagine for a moment that you have a beverage, if you consume it as a medicine, then it will make you fit. Maybe this word would be interesting, but the fact is something different of it. If you have consuming a diet which is a calorie restricted diet, or which the diet which you are not consuming as per requirement of your calorie, then definitely you are going to lose your weight. But there are other benefits also of these beverages which I'm going to mention to you, that it is going to increase your metabolism so that the process of fat absorption can be become fast in your body. In this list, the number one beverage is the green tea. Green tea has so much into it, and the brand which I would like you to recommend is the Organic India Green Tea, so that you can enjoy the benefit of the taste also. There is a one favorite taste is the which I usually like is the Organic India Tulsi Original. Not only it will be good for my immune system, but it is also good for my digestion. It helps and it instructs our mind and our hormone system so that they can start the process to consume the fat. So that's why green tea is really good for you. You should need to consume around 3 to 4 green tea if you are on your fat loss journey. The second beverage is my favorite. I usually fond of black tea, or especially I really like the espresso coffee. So friends, usually in morning also I consume the black coffee only. And if you're going to consume black coffee, it's going to be impact in your body in two ways. There are two ways where the fat get increased. One is the hormonal way, and the another one is the more calories if we are consuming. Not only if we are going to consume black coffee, it's going to reduce our fat hormone which is known as insulin, but it is also going to increase our energy levels so that we can cope up more with the work even if we are restricting our calories. So that's why it will benefit for both for many of the people. But I don't want like to suggest this black coffee to the females who are lactating or who are pregnant, because there are some side effects can also be occur at the time of their pregnancy or their lactation. So that's why, but you can consume green tea rather than the black coffee. Now the third beverage is my super top favorite, that whenever I fail any of the time, I just like this beverage so much. And this beverage can help me out, and it gives me really kind of a thoughts which makes me positive, because it's a say that what kind of food you're going to consume, it's going to give you the thought something like your food only. So that's why the third number is the vegetable soup. There are many vegetables like the cauliflower, cabbage, spinach, tomato, and you just need to boil them and make them a tadka of garlic and ginger, and you can consume it in the winter season is going on. Not only it will boost your immunity, but it is also going to be tasty for you so that you can enjoy your life. And the soup has the capacity, there is a term which is known as the food volume. It means that if you talk about the 300 gram of cabbage and a 1 spoon of butter or ghee or oil, the both have the same energy, but the place which the cabbage going to consume in our stomach is something like that, and the liquid of the oil is just nothing. So that's why our body, our stomach is going to feel full once we're going to cabbage raw. So this is how the food volume works. So that's why if you're going to consume the vegetables in the form of a soup, not only it will fill your stomach, but it will be a better choice than the milk tea. It is a winter time and definitely you can see the benefits of the soup, and don't rush yourself for making a soup in a cooker and after that making the more things, the cutting more things. Just boil them and mix them, just after that cool it, and after that just mix it in a mixer and do some kind of a tadka which you regularly do. Friends, these are some of the 3 beverages which you can apply and get the result of the fitness in your life. Friends, if you want to start your health journey and if you want to get some inspiration, then I have created an ebook for you, so that you just need to download that ebook, and you can find out the 7-day diet plan, what is the beginner diet schedule, what was my journey, all of it about. And if you're looking forward to lose your weight, if you want to change and adapt some good habits in your life, or if you want my personal coaching with your health journey, then feel free to message me or contact me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.